Well, Yama again. Here we are at quite a sizable white box tree, and what these called bimble, or they're similar to the yarran. But there's a number of these trees around this particular park, and these are called scar trees, where the bark is removed from the tree, and it's used for a number of different purposes. The main one of those purposes is coolamans. And coolamans are a vessel in which you can carry things in, like tools, sticks, your boomerang and stuff, spears, things like that when you're going hunting. But the main purpose of those was to just make life a bit easier, so you can actually carry something. So right around here there's a number of scar trees, and they're called scar trees because when the bark is removed it leaves a scar, but the tree keeps on growing, as you can see behind me, and the actual the growth sort of curves around, and googity gaga, kookaburra. But these scar trees were very important because there's probably hundreds of them throughout this particular area, not just at the park here, but around the Tamworth district, and people use them all the time. But like I said, for carrying things, sometimes for sleeping babies in, carrying tools, stones, and other things from place to place, so that you're not carrying everything by hand. So as you can sort of see on here that some of the bark was used and removed for containers, gumbagal, and other ones gulali, and bawayama, and bandara, which is basically talking about having the longer ones for canoes. But you wouldn't take a canoe from this area because the water is too far away. But certainly for coolamans and stuff like that, you would actually utilise these particular trees. They have to be white box trees because the bark is quite tough, and they're well sought after, and basically well utilised in this particular area.